Almost everyone thinks people start YouTube for one reason: money. I did too. But after years of creating videos and connecting with people around the world, I discovered something completely different. Some of the biggest rewards have absolutely nothing to do with dollars and money. Today, I'm sharing 10 reasons you should start a YouTube channel, even if you never sell a single thing. The first gift that YouTube gave me was something I never expected. I learned that I'm leaving a legacy. One of these days, our voices won't be here anymore, but my grands will always be able to hear my voice and see my face on video. But imagine your children, your grandchildren, or even your great-grandchildren hearing your laugh, your stories, and your advice years from now. That is priceless. Then I realized that YouTube could be used to preserve our family history. Every family has stories that we love to hear over and over again. Stories like how your parents met, where your family came from, holiday traditions, and all those recipes. You can preserve that sweet potato pie recipe. Those stories and many others will disappear unless someone records them. Why not let that someone be you? You could do it. You would be able to help so many others. I never realized that I had a lot of knowledge and expertise that others were interested in. You don't have to be rich and famous. You only have to know how to do something or know something that someone else doesn't. Whether it's gardening, crocheting, fishing, or making jewelry like me. Believe me, someone out there is searching for exactly something that you know. Why not share it? Another reason starting a channel could benefit you is that doing it builds confidence. It's really a challenge, and your confidence comes little by little. And at first, talking to a camera feels awkward. It's really, really different, but you get used to it. I was terrified at first, but every video makes you more and more comfortable speaking. And if you make a mistake, so what? It's not the end of the world. Just start over. And that builds confidence that spills over into your everyday life. Oh, and this is a big one. Creating videos makes your brain work. You have to plan, write, you have to learn about new things, doing their editing, problem solving. There's so much to learn, but that just expands your brain muscles and keeps them working. Making YouTube videos is one of the best creative exercises you can give yourself. You learn so much, and it encourages you to try to keep up with technology because everything is always changing. One of the things that really surprised me about being on YouTube has been meeting people. I've met people that I never would have known otherwise. I've met people from all over the world. Some have become customers, others have become friends. There are ones that always encourage me to keep going. So your community is out there waiting just for you. Making videos is a great way to document your learning journey. you'd be able to look back to see where you started and how far you've come. And we should never, ever stop learning. Maybe you're learning to paint, or maybe you're on a weight loss journey. Maybe you're doing traveling around the world, or maybe you're learning to play an instrument. Whatever it is, start documenting it today. I don't believe that you will regret it. And if you don't want to make it public, you can keep it private on YouTube, but you will still have your own record. 5 years from now, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. In my church, we sing a song called "We've Come This Far by Faith." You'll be able to see your journey. Sometimes we don't know what we're capable of until we try. Starting a YouTube might uncover some talents that you never knew you had. You may learn some things about yourself that you never knew. There are so many areas where you can help people. There's teaching, there's storytelling, photography, editing, encouraging others. This is all, you can do all of this by making YouTube videos. The people that watch my videos tell me all the time that I inspire them. They see me make mistakes and keep going. People don't always need perfection. Sometimes they just need an example. They need encouragement. Your story may be exactly what someone else needs today. Imagine that. You can do it just to have some fun. Not everything has to become a business. Sometimes creating is enough. Sometimes just sharing is enough. Sometimes laughing at yourself while learning something new is enough. I do it all the time, and that's okay. If you've been waiting for permission to start a YouTube channel, consider this your permission. I, Sherry, from Sharika Originals, am giving you permission. You don't have to wait until everything is perfect, and your first video won't be your best video. Mine wasn't, and that's still okay. The most important thing is simply to begin, because someone out there is waiting to hear your story. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about starting a YouTube channel. Have you thought about it? Have you considered it at all? If this has encouraged you, give this video a thumbs up. Give me a comment, a hype, subscribe, and share it with someone who's been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. And until next time, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.